Hi everyone, welcome to day 91. So yesterday left over at a point where we have to schedule that job. And after that scheduling, we will learn more about templating the formatting the way we want to do. So for that, what we do, we will just check the task in the Jira and then we will go to active code, understand those things. We will check the documentation to prepare that and then we will work on along that. So let's continue from there. And now you can see, let's go to Jira. Jira is still backend development. Again, the mailing part is there. Then we will add the testing part after mailer. So let me get back to my email. No, we have done this. We have done the salary.task. But again, this is salary which is not initialized. So we have initialized the salary and we have to use that. So that is initialized in the workers. Quoting that. And now we have to set up a cron job. Basically, a cron job is a mechanism to schedule the task. So if you read in the salary documentation in the periodic task, what you can see, it has beat, which is scheduler, and which kicks off the task at specific interval. So for that, what we do, we can use this type of things like by importing this from salary.schedules. Import cron jobs, cron tab. So we will be using this and we have to initialize this. So it is the same thing they have used. If you see, so this is the function we are using. So I have just made this so this is the same function. Now we require more thing here, so we will send that more thing there as well. Comma post current month is equals to post current month, comma, and we have to receive that here as well. So it is posts underscore count and post count current month. Now these two things should also be sent here with the same name. So we are ready and good to go for every sender and all sort of those things. It's already imported from extensions and which is set up by that thing. And we have set up our salary work as well. So now if I say one thing, it is good, and one thing it is bad as well. So you can see we have just one report to send, so we have added in the emails.py. But if there could be multiple tasks, and let's say in future we require that, so we will make another file for task and we will set up there. For currently, we will using just this single file. I hope you are able to understand this. So we have to use a template. So we are using this template. And for template design, what we do? We will do this. We will come back to Figma and we check the design. We see the design has a heading, show connect, which has some title and design and some specific colors. So we can pick that color as well. So it says linear gradient. So this article cover will have those things, or basically body will have again a div container. Class equals to container. And we will add a CSS for it. Add the CSS for it. And what does cover contain? Cover contain basically the heading, which is let's say H2, and this heading should contain show connect, the name of our application, and there again we have a blocks of cards. So we have a card, div class equals to card. Uh, we can add here as a row function and then column function. Class row, and in that row we will have a div class equals to cold as 4. We have to divide in that part, and first part contain my post, and that should be a paragraph. After this, there will be some line break, and in H4, what the content should have? It should have posts count. And similarly, one more thing could be there. So let's say 6. And now this should be my post, it should be total post. Current month post. Now that will be post count. For current month. Now we can remove the signature, we do not require that. Or we can keep that. No, it doesn't require. Here we will have a paragraph Here we can add this content. It should be at center. So this should be a heading of H5, let's say. Then there should be hi user. This is your monthly report on your account at the rate. And after just at the rate, you can use username. Have a look into it. That's a, that's it. This is a small code which we can use, and we have to just check the template how it is visible, and based on that we can start designing the page, and we will do it tomorrow. I hope that you enjoy the session.